TikTok down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with TikTok right now. I received a lot of messages from people who have this issue with TikTok. I already went to Google, and if you try to search on Google TikTok down, which I will do right now so you can see on there, just like this. And then if you go here to the first site, you will see that right now there are over 10,000 reports, and most reported problems are at the app and server connection. Also, if you scroll down, you will see some comments from people who also have this issue, so you can read those. But in conclusion, you are not the only one who has this problem, so you don't have to worry about it. You can try to restart your phone or to clear the cache and data from your settings from your app, and you can also try to update your app, but mostly you just have to wait until they fix it. And if you do have this problem, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.